Let's apply what we've learned about Photoshop masks in order to combine and merge two images into one. We'll work with these two images. This is the first one, and this is the second. We want to change the background of this image with the book and to insert this number 2. What we need to do is show Photoshop what we want to save and what we want to remove. Instead of deleting with the eraser, we'll use Photoshop masks in order to keep the ability to make further changes if we want. In order to have flexibility and artistic freedom, instead of using the Quick Selection tool, we'll go ahead and work with the Pen tool because it leads to the best results in selection making. For a better end result when working with masks and selections, selecting by hand is always better than what the computer can do. To save time, I prepared in advance one mask and we'll go ahead and use that. You can reference in one of the previous videos how to use the Pen tool to create masks. So, I already have a selection that I can use. What I'll do is create a mask for the image with the book with this button here, which looks like a circle inside a rectangle. As you can see, a mask in black and white has appeared. The white shows the former image, and the black hides the rest and shows the second part of the image, i.e., what is seen on top. In this case, this is the book, and that's why we see it first. If I deactivate the mask with Shift on the keyboard and click on the mask, we will deactivate it and hide it. After hiding it, I can see the whole image. If I reactivate it, I will only see the part the mask shows me.